In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points and numbered lists in Microsoft PowerPoint. Clear, well-structured lists make your slides easier to scan and help your audience focus on the key ideas you want them to remember. So let's walk through the process together from start to finish. Begin by opening Microsoft PowerPoint and loading the presentation you want to work on. Once your slide is open, look toward the top of the window for the ribbon, the row of tabs that organizes the tools you'll use throughout your presentation. Click the Insert tab. This tab is your hub for adding new elements to a slide, like text, images, shapes, and more, and it's the quickest way to place additional content exactly where you want it. Within the Insert tab, choose Text Box, then click anywhere on your slide where you want to place extra text. A rectangular frame appears showing you where your text will live. Text boxes are perfect for adding notes or details that aren't included in your current slide layout, and they keep your design flexible so you can position content without disrupting other elements. Now type the content you want to display. Think about your main ideas or the points you want your audience to remember. Short, clear phrases work best on slides and help prevent visual clutter. Placing each idea on its own line will make the next step more effective and help your list read cleanly across the slide. When your text is in place, switch to the Home tab, which sits just to the left of Insert. This is where you'll find most formatting tools. Use your mouse to highlight the text you want to turn into a list. Make sure everything you want formatted is selected because only the highlighted portion will change. In the center of the Home tab, look for the paragraph group. There you'll see the bullets icon. Click it to instantly convert your selected text into a bulleted list. You'll see simple markers appear at the start of each line, making the content easier to scan at a glance and giving your slide a more polished look. If sequence or order matters, you might prefer a numbered list instead. Click the numbering icon, which is right next to bullets, and your text will immediately update. Numbers are helpful for step-by-step processes or when you want to show priority or progression, and you can switch between bullets and numbers at any time using those same buttons. And that's it. You've added bullets and numbers in PowerPoint 2016 and organized your content for clarity and impact. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching.